Smart shopping, mastering the art of shopping on a budget. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential topic for both language learners and savvy shoppers alike: shopping on a budget. This concept is not only crucial for managing your finances but also a great way to enhance your English vocabulary and understanding of daily life activities. Let's explore how to make the most out of your shopping trips without breaking the bank. Shopping on a budget refers to the process of buying what you need or want while limiting your spending to a predetermined amount of money. This involves careful planning, price comparison, and making informed decisions to ensure that you can cover your essential expenses without overspending. It's a skill that helps you balance your financial goals and immediate needs, making it a vital practice for everyone. There are several reasons why people choose to shop on a budget. It helps in saving money for future needs or emergencies, preventing debt by avoiding unnecessary purchases, making wise choices about what to buy, leading to more satisfaction and less waste, improving financial health by fostering discipline in spending habits. Understanding the why can motivate you to stick to your budget and make shopping on a budget a regular practice. 1. Set a clear budget. Before you start shopping, know exactly how much you can afford to spend. This includes being mindful of your overall financial situation. 2. Make a shopping list. List down what you need to buy. This helps you stick to your budget and avoid impulse purchases. 3. Compare prices. Look for the best deals by comparing prices across different stores or online platforms. 4. Look for discounts and coupons. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and coupons to stretch your budget further. 5. Prioritize your purchases. Buy the essentials first. If there's room in your budget, then consider the less necessary items. 6. Review your spending. After shopping, take a moment to review what you've spent and learn from the experience for next time. Be flexible. Sometimes, you may need to adjust your budget or shopping list based on what's available or on sale. Track your spending, keep receipts, or use a budgeting app to monitor where your money goes. Shop off-season. Buy items out of season when they're likely to be cheaper. Don't shop hungry. This old adage is especially true for grocery shopping. You're likely to make unnecessary purchases on an empty stomach. Shopping on a budget is a valuable life skill that goes beyond just saving money. It's about making informed decisions, managing resources wisely, and prioritizing your needs and wants. We hope this video not only helps you understand the concept of shopping on a budget but also encourages you to practice it in your daily life. Happy budgeting, and see you in our next video.